Well, hello, it's Bears back. I got another lock I thought I'd try this evening. It's by Washington State Picker, and it is called Sunny Girl. There's the bitine on the key. Works fine. So let's see if we can get into this thing. Alrighty. I'm going to be using this Daz Evers Workahorse. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what I can find. Oh, I got a little click off. I think it was 4 and a little bit of movement. Moving up solid there. I'm getting some counter. I'm not sure. I think I might have got off on that. Okay. Oh, and we are open. Wow. Okay, I'll take it. We have a key. It's not mummied. Alrighty, that was unexpected. I think I just got lucky. I think I get lucky a lot, because there are some locks I can't get lucky with no matter what I do. But I must have hit something just right. Wow, that was amazing. Oh boy. Well, crud. Hang on, I gotta get a pinning tray. I don't have one handy. I'd done something with my other pinning tray. I don't know what I did with it, but I moved it or something. I don't know. Okay. Let's ooh. Yeah, there's something tight in there. I think I got past it. And we'll set that out there. Got a reduced diameter there. And there's your pins. There. You got threading in 1, 3, 5, and 6. Looks like well, I'm not sure if that's undercutting or just a reflection because it's a shiny inside. That's no undercutting, just threading. Okay, you can come out. Boy, maybe there is some undercutting. That kind of hung like there was. That does too. Wow. Oh, that's threaded though. That's why it was hanging good. Hanging good in the neighborhood. Alright, like I said, yeah, those are smooth. You got 1, 3, 5, and 6 are threaded. And we have Would you turn around? And you. Okay. Man, get that thing out of there. All right. Let's see what we got upstairs. Oh, we got a wafer? A wafer would be towards the bottom. And then we'd have standard on top of it. A small pin or a small spring wants to hang on to my tweezers. What do we have here? Oh, it's spool. Okay, really small spring. Whoa, that thing shot out of there. Ruh-roh. I think it's still in there, though. Let me check. Yeah, there's spring in there. There it is. It's a monster. Oh, we'll get that out or not. Get out of the way. Wow. That was a spring. Okay. Another little tiny spring. Go on the back now. See what we got. Oh, wow. I think it's still down in there. Let's find out. Yep. Doesn't want to come up though. I can move it. There it is. Really tiny spring. And the last one. I know I'm not fast at this, guys, but if I try to go fast, I mess stuff up, and I don't like messing stuff up. And that's the spring on that one. Because people put a lot of time and effort in their locks, and I like not to mess their locks up for them. I don't see anything done in the Bible. So nothing's been done in the Bible. And we had the, like I said, 1, 3, 5, and 6 threaded. And here are your pins. We have nice serrated key pin. We have a standard with a wafer. We have a spooled key pin and a spooled top. A serrated, I think that's all one pin. Yeah, not coming apart. Lightly serrated key pin and standard. Reduced diameter key pin and a kind of a wide serrations. Tiny serrations on this. the bottom sharp lip, and then a kind of a spool with, yeah, I wouldn't know what to call that. And same thing here, kind of a spool with lumps in it, kind of throw you off. So, yep, that's what we have in Sunny Girl by Washington State Picker. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like I say, all the locks I do and everything, all their links to their channels are in my description below, and go check them out. They're great pickers. They're great lock makers. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay legal and have fun. Bye.